Prophets enduring peace under Messiah, Ezekiel 37, verse 26. Third, covenant renewal moment. That one, Asa renews covenant, chapter 15, verses 12 to 15. That two, prophets promise a new covenant, Jeremiah 31, verses 31. So, structurally, Asa, micro pattern of restoration. Critical differences why it is not the fulfillment. One, no internet connection. No internal transformation. That one, Asa reforms externally. That two, prophets heart change, Ezekiel 36:26. Asa later defects proves no permanent transformation. Second, not permanent. That one, Asa ends in failure. Chapter 16, verses 7 to 12.